on. So today I'm gonna show you how you can replace your lock. This one is broken. As you can see, if I put it in, it do not, it's stuck here. Somehow I need to replace this because I have to open the other door to enter the car. So that's why I really need so I'm gonna go ahead and do it. So I need to remove everything from here and start. So guys, before I start, I wanted to share something because this is my original key and I'm gonna use a separate different key to open this one. So I need to check first if this opens. It opens, and match the size before you open everything. It looks pretty good. Now I'll open this plastic rim. There should be one screw or more, but in my case I have only one screw. So let's just open. First we open this. Done. You wanna put everything on a safe spot or any pot or any something so you don't lose anything. So I'm gonna use a trimmer to open this. Open this. Open this. Here it's done. The key, this thing is right over here, so we need to access this. Now I'll open the second 10mm. Now I will remove this part. Guys, this is the place I just removed this nut, and now I can push it out, pull it out. Guys, I just removed this, and this is the culprit. Now I'm gonna go ahead and remove these two screw. One screw. So guys, I just removed these screws. Now I disconnected this, and I have the access to the old key. So guys, I'm using this to open these. So guys, I successfully opened the two screws from here. Right now I'll remove this. It's hard. So there's the bad one, there's the new one. Now I'll put them right in. Okay, this matches here. Let's try one more time. Okay, now guys, I'll put the screws back. Guys, this is already screwed. Now I have to put it back. Now I'll put this in this hole. So guys, I just put this back at the same spot and put this screw back. Stop fast. And now I need to adjust this. Don't forget this screw. Now I'll put this trimmer. Now we have to screw this. Guys, the job is done. Everything is complete. Now it's time to test it. Yes guys, so I locked it. It's good. Thank you so much, and if you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe.